Let me get back to you as promised on why a weight loss effort should not start with picking yet another diet. If keto or intermittent fasting or any of the other diets that are out there would work so well that we could all lose weight on them, don't you think that we all would be on the HET diet already? And wouldn't you think that our numbers for obesity would go down instead of up? So anyway, I believe that you stand a much better chance of success if you start tweaking your existing diet rather than picking somebody else's diet. And I'll give you a few quick examples of how that can work. First of all, if you have a hard time drinking enough water throughout the day, start by adding 16 ounces of water to your meals throughout the day. If you don't eat enough fruits and vegetables when you're eating out, but obviously also at home, replace your starches with vegetables. If you don't get 15 grams of fiber a day in your diet through your regular eating, then add chia seeds or flax seeds to your breakfast and you make a head start to your day. And last but not least, start reducing your portions until you reach the point where you get an appetite when it's time to eat again. At that point, you're in good shape. And then don't forget, drink your 16 ounces of water when you start eating again. So that's, in a nutshell, real quick, why I made the statement I made earlier. Okay, when it comes to coffee, I completely understand that there is a tendency to drink coffee to keep your energy level up for the long, long hours you guys are working. But let me show you the impact that coffee has on simple processes. And I started showing you here a graph of a patient that was in our Weight Loss That Works program. You can tell that she did an amazing job losing weight on a consistent basis. And then all of a sudden, this is what happens. She completely flatlined. It turned out that when we went from summer into fall and the weather got colder, she started drinking coffee and abandoning the water, thinking that that was perfectly okay. So as soon as we discovered that, we put her back on water and off the coffee. She started losing weight even faster than she had before. Drinking coffee is not the way to go when it comes to energy. Okay, enough about sugar. Let's switch to the next category, which is fibers. Along with our increased sugar consumption, our fiber consumption has decreased tremendously. Our Paleolithic ancestors ate about 50 to 100 grams of fiber per day, whereas nowadays we're struggling to get 15 grams a day in. And the lack of fiber in our diet has huge implications for our health. It contributes to heart disease, diabetes, obesity, cancers, and many other chronic diseases.